Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. This is gonna be a what I eat in a day video, 12 years on a plant-based diet. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm eating today. Right now it's just about 1 o'clock and I did a run at 11 a.m. So today's workout was a run, about a 3-mile run. Yesterday I did some strength training, so I alternate between the strength training and the running right now. And yeah, I'm putting together a smoothie to start out with here at 1 p.m. So as usual, I fasted through the morning, just drank water, stay nice and hydrated. And for this smoothie, I'm gonna use 4 dates. Normally I use 3 dates, but these are a little smaller, so I'm using 4 today. And I'm going to use a few kale leaves. I got some cacao powder. So let me know, what is your guys' favorite smoothie? About a tablespoon of cacao powder. Here I got some wild blueberries. These are really good blueberries. So I'm gonna use about a cup of those. And what else do I have? Let me see. I got a tablespoon of peanut butter. This is just peanuts and sea salt. Just a couple ingredients. I'll use about a tablespoon there. This brand of peanut butter that I get is so good. It's called CB's Nuts. I'm not sure where it's made, but oh, it's made in Washington. CB's Nuts. If you can get a hold of that, it's the best. And let's see here. I also have some bananas that are just defrosting. So what I do is I freeze my bananas with the peel on, and I throw them in a tub of hot water for about 4 minutes. So I'll grab those and put them in the smoothie. Okay, so here you are. I got 4 frozen bananas that I defrosted for 4 minutes in the tub of hot water. And I was actually gonna use 5 bananas, but I ran out. I only had 4 frozen bananas, so I gotta restock my frozen bananas. And I do it this way because I like the consistency of the smoothie. Didn't quite defrost these enough. Normally they just come right out of the peel. Okay, there's that. And let me rinse my hands. Okay, got a couple more ingredients for this smoothie. We're gonna use some coconut water. Maybe, I would say, a little over half a cup. And we got some almond milk. And for the almond milk, I'm gonna use just over a little half of a cup, maybe like a 3/4 cup. There we go. Okay, my plug there wasn't working, so I'm gonna blend it up over here. Okay, there it is. So this should make just about a liter, maybe a little bit more. We'll see. Yeah, just about 1 liter, perfect. See how this is. Real good. All right, there we go. So enjoy this thing. I'll be back in a little bit, probably in about 3 hours with my second meal for the day. Next up at 3:30, I had made some steel cut oats in a crock pot, which is actually the first time I ever tried doing this. And it turned out to be pretty good. So with the oats, I added some pecans, some maple syrup, some frozen blueberries, and a splash of almond milk. So it turned out to be pretty good. I may have to do this again. And then just a little bit after that, I had some pineapple. I had a little bit of fresh pineapple left, so I had that with a can of this Tropical Gold pineapple that I have when I can't get enough fresh pineapple. At 6 p.m. I made a salad. It had cucumber, apple, avocado, and I used some of this sesame ginger dressing on top. Then at 7 p.m. I had some leftover soup. I had a little bit of lentil soup left over and some of this broccoli potato soup. It has a cashew base, so I finished those off. And I also had some Mary's crackers with some of this plant milk cheese spread. And for dessert, I made some of these homemade chocolate chip cookies. They have rolled oats, bananas, dark chocolate chips, peanut butter, and cinnamon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. I have some good recipes in there. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of the video. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.